Hey guys, how are you? I am orange, I think. I can't get my lighting right, and I feel like raw beauty Christy, but we're going to jump into the Ipsy Glam Bag X. I look tired. That's what I look like. I have opened this up. Spoiler alert, spoiler alert, spoiler alert. This is not the best, but there are some good products in it, so let's just dab right in. Actually, let me not put it there right in front of the mic. That'll drive y'all nuts. Okay, so the thing that comes in it every month is like a little cute newspaper. It has Huda Beauty on it. Well, Huda. On the front of it. Is it Huda? Like who? Like Huda or Hudat? Or is it Huda? Which I always thought it was Huda Beauty. But yeah, so there's just a lot of stuff that comes inside of it, the stuff you could have gotten, and I will try to go through this and look at this as we are going along to see pricing of things. So the first thing that I see in here, I don't really see it on the page just yet. This is what's annoying about this, so I feel like we're just gonna wait. We're gonna go through everything and then I'll tell you the prices of everything. So the first thing I can see on here is the Patrick Ta. This is a lip balm, I believe. It's a lip mask, okay, with color, and it is in shade She's Juicy. Can y'all see? She's Juicy. So this is something that I picked, and we'll kind of get into that. Okay, it looks like a nude color. So the component kind of looks like this. Handprints all over it already. So as you can see, I was saying, kind of looks like a nude color. The one thing I love, Patrick Ta's packaging is beautiful, but then like, oh, sorry, I was like talking to you guys and this fell out. But then like this happens immediately, just handprints all over, but it really is pretty. I still have the palette that I haven't used yet because I want to use it on camera with you guys, but I got it for myself for my birthday and haven't been able to use it yet because I haven't had time, and then COVID's been whooping my behind. So this is it. Again, the component, this little top that was on it, and this is the color. Now I feel like I don't want to dip my finger into it because I feel like it's pretty much just going to be a clear color with a little bit of pink, but I will try it, and obviously if it's good, we'll hear about it again. If it's not, we'll probably hear about it again, won't we? So that is the number one product that I got in here. I then got the Gold Faden MD Solution Needleless Line Smoothing, and this is a concentrate. So I guess it says use 1 to 2 drops on clean skin, targeting areas concentrated forehead, crow's feet, and mouth area. Follow with your favorite Gold Faden MD moisturizers. For optimal results, use morning and night. So it has seaweed extract, distilled water, hyaluronic acid, red tea extract, and then some words that I can't really pronounce. So there's that, and I've heard amazing things about this company, so I'm excited to get it. The last time I got something from this company, I did give it to my mama. So this is the Wishful, this is Huda's company. This is the Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. Now, I actually used this today. I already have one that's open, so we'll take a look at her. So this is the packaging. It has iridescent letters on it. Then we open her up and you'll be able to see I have been using it, a decent amount out of it. So I actually love this. It has niacinamide in it, and I'm a big niacinamide fan. So this is just the Honey Balm. It is, let's see if there's anything that I can read out of it. If you hear my son in the background, he's talking to my dog. It has lavender, honey, niacinamide, and turmeric. Again, one of those things. How do you say it? Things. The next thing I got is the Ofra Midi Palette, and this comes in Pink Satin, Soho, and Peach Paradise. Now, I did use this today, actually. So we're going to do one of these. We'll take a look at it. And you know, Huda's highlighters are absolutely gorgeous. So I'll do a swatch of all of the colors. So it looks like the first one is a matte. The second one obviously is a highlighter. And this last one is more of like a satin with a shimmer inside. So that is the beautiful. So you guys can get a good look at that. So this looks more peach inside of the pan, as you guys can see here, but it's actually got more of like a pinky color to it. I did use it. I do like it. I like everything that's Ofra. Did I say Huda? I hope I didn't say Huda. That's Ofra, if I didn't say that already. Whew, I'm tired. It's going to be a long night. So yeah, I do like everything that's Ofra, especially their highlighters. I do have a couple other Ofra items, and I have yet to be disappointed by any of them. So the next thing I see in here is the By Terry Hyaluronic Powder. So it is a hydra powder, it says, so it is for correction, multi-zone, rids pores, and defaults. Well, that's a big claim, ain't it? So I did choose that as well. I've heard great things about By Terry from Mel Thompson, so I chose that and I did use it. I do believe that I like it. It's only one time of use so far, so as of right now, I do believe that I like it. We'll see how it is during the day. So the next thing I got is the PMD. I actually have one of these already, and this one's a bit larger, I believe, and it's in a pretty pinkish, orangish, salmon-y color, and I believe this color was specific to Huda. I believe they made it for her in the box, so I am excited to get that. And then the next thing I got is a Complex Culture All Angles. It's 2 brushes. Now I have this brush from Huda, I have this brush, and I have this round 2. I don't know where it is, but I have 2 of those brushes. So these are the next 2. So they're smaller brushes. And let's see if they read. This is the box, the packaging, if I didn't say that. It says this is a duo from award-winning eco-friendly brush collection. I thought Complex Culture was Ipsy's. Each brush has been carefully created to perform the works of multiple brushes to save both time and effort. They're vegan. They have biodegradable handles. That's awesome. So it's the new Petite Powder Brush and a precise, I could have used this, a concealer brush. So I guess this is the powder brush. We'll take this off of here. Beautiful. These are not reading right on camera because something's going on with my coloring, but they're like a salmon color as well. I wonder if they were made for Huda's likes as well because she likes those colors. So this is that one. And then this is the precise concealer brush. It'll be perfect for getting under the eyes and stamping in Complex Culture. Beautiful pinky handle, and then it comes in this cute little, with a C, Complex Culture plastic covering. So those were the first 2, well no, I can't say first because I actually have the big powder brush that I was going to say face brushes I have from them. And then, okay, so the only product that I got from Huda, other than obviously Wishful, I mean like Huda itself, is still skincare, kind of, because it's a hydrating mist. So it's called Glow Cocoa, and I heard it's amazing, the hydrating mist. Spoiler alert, because I didn't get to all the other products, so you wouldn't have known that until I told you. But hey, there's no other Huda Beauty makeup products in there. So let's try it out, because I've yet to try it out. It comes like this. It has a clear top, and it is going to be a spray. I don't think it's a continuous spray. Nope, it's going to be... It's a really nice light mist. There's no like huge droplets that I feel on my face, so I think it's really nice in that aspect. We'll see again how this wears during the day. The last thing I have in here is the Stay Vulnerable Gloss Lip Balm. Now I do already have Nikita from Dragon Beauty, the glass, I believe it's called, on my lips. It's like a colored gloss on my lips. I do want to see what this is like though. So I'm trying to open this in the like nicest way possible without totally destroying it. I believe that I will be keeping it so. It just got destroyed. Sorry guys, sorry. All right, oh that's cute. So this side of it is flat and this side of it is round. Oh, I do believe that her brand is supposedly good for people who have a hard time with grasp. So actually after a few of my mini strokes, I had a hard time with regaining strength and walking and all of those things again. So this color actually really works with the look that I have. Let's see. This is the component, the top of the component, and we'll check out the color right here. It's really pretty. I might take this with me. I don't know why I'm putting it back in, like I didn't just ruin it. And this is the color. Beautiful. Okay, so definitely get used out of that, and props to them if that is true, that it's made for people who have a hard time opening and gripping things. So that's amazing if it's for them. Now, with seeing the whole box, here's my issue, I guess I could say. I'm kind of sad that I didn't get anything Huda Beauty. Number one, I mean, let me correct myself. I didn't get anything that is makeup from Huda Beauty. I got a setting spray, and if you consider that makeup, great. The other thing is, this is the only thing that they chose for me that wasn't, so they chose this for me, they chose this for me, they chose this for me, and they chose this for me, okay? So that's their products for me. Mind you, I chose the Ofra, I chose the By Terry, I chose, or maybe they chose the brushes, either way they aren't, and then I chose this. So technically this is a mask, so it's not really makeup, it's skin care, it's lip care brushes. This I chose for myself, and this I chose for myself. So I technically didn't get anything makeup from them. I got this, which is face powder, and then the real piece of makeup like that you could use is the highlighter and cheek palette. I got nothing from Huda. I didn't get her perfume either. Okay, fine. And I didn't get either of the two palettes, and I didn't get the liner, and I didn't get the mascara, and I didn't get the concealer, and all the other things that were up that you could have gotten. I just realized I didn't finish my eye look. I didn't put liner on. I didn't put mascara on. I was just like, let's do the video. Now it's happening. Yeah, so I didn't get any of those things, and that kind of stinks, because when you advertise that it's going to be Huda's, then you expect kind of something of hers that's makeup from the brand, you know, and I do like her makeup. So I know that you could have gotten the Huda Beauty, there's baking powder, it looks like. There was eyeshadow palettes, there is lip balms from Huda, there is the mascara, there is her concealer, there is, what else? I don't know. Obviously, as you guys know, you're probably here because you either got it or not, so this is probably not the first spoiler you've seen or unboxing you've seen or anything. There was a lot of Huda stuff, and the Wishful product that I got is something that is put in like every box. I didn't get there's a cool like thirst trap that I would have wanted, or the face peel, and then there was the perfume. Now, obviously, you can't get everything that you want, but a single Huda product that was not also skincare, any type of makeup product would have been cool. There was 2 separate palettes, whatever. So that's life, and that was kind of my gripe with the box this month. I will say, like, the products are great, and I don't have an issue with the products itself per se, but the fact that it was promoted to be hers, and I really didn't get anything that was makeup related, and she's known for being a beauty mogul. The rest of like Wishful and her perfume company came after her being well known for makeup. That's all. And they kind of promoted it like you were going to get one of the 2 Haze palettes. So that's what I thought was kind of happening. And I want to know, like, what did I get in replace of the Haze palette that covered that up? That, like, I don't know. So I think that kind of stunk. But other than that, the box was great. I mean, you definitely get bang for your buck when it comes to these boxes, the Glam Bag X's. And quite honestly, I feel like they're better than our Boxies anymore. So, what can I really say? So, great box in general. Stinks that I didn't get anything that was really makeup related. And then on top of it, that they didn't pick me up anything makeup related. Like, I picked up everything that I picked was the makeup, or else if I had picked skincare, I literally would have gotten a single thing that was makeup related, and that kind of stinks because they picked the majority of like your big products for you. But anyhow, what did you guys get? How did you like your box? How did you like my box? Definitely, don't get me wrong, there's some good products in there, just for the whole theme, for being Huda's, I feel like it kind of flopped in that aspect. But thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Let me go complete this eye look, and I will be right back at you. My Boxy will either be up before this or after this. Either way, my Boxy Premium is already up, so go take a look at that and tell me how you feel about that. Will you be getting the next one, the next Boxy Glam X? And also, as you guys know, I might not be getting my next Premium from Boxy, so that's just kind of the way this has been working for me this month. And I appreciate you all. I'll see you on the next video. Sending you guys all lights and love. Bye, guys.